Good day to all employers. My name is Junisha Bautista, 29 years old, single. I was born on March 16, 1982. I live in Dagnawan, Hinabanga, Bohol, Philippines. A college degree, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Technology, major in garments. Presently working in Hong Kong as domestic helper. My duties and responsibilities are child-minding, household chores, cooking, Western and Asian cuisine, marketing, and pet care. I am an honest individual person with strong family values, hardworking, understanding, and flexible. I love reading books and listening music. A new place country like Bahamas is one of my desires to be worked. If luckily be chosen, it would be a great opportunity to learn new things and new culture. Each one of us had a dream plan to fulfill. What I had is to have a stable job where I can earn to support my family needs as well as myself. I hope you choose me as your housekeeper. Thank you very much.